My name is Ali Zaidi. I'm the proud daughter of Ali Zaidi, who has served Pakistan with great integrity and honesty. He has always taught us to differentiate between right and wrong. Since I was a kid, he told us we were lucky to be born Sayyids, and the blood that runs in our veins is from the progeny of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, which means we have to be extra humble and always make sure we learn and eat halal. Now Pakistan has arrested him for standing up for sovereignty and respect of Pakistan. How can Pakistan prosper as a nation if those who stand up for it get arrested? Neutral uncle, will you keep allowing these crooks who take over to keep playing with our future like this? Should we look at moving out of Pakistan? I hope you respond. Pakistan Zindabad.